Look up at the night sky for a moment. Not just a quick glance, but really look. Those tiny points of light feel calm and distant, almost like a painted ceiling above us. But what if I told you that this quiet view hides a truth so strange that once you understand it, space will never feel the same again? The universe is not just out there. In a very real way, you are already inside it, moving through it, shaped by it, every single second. Most of us grow up thinking of space as something far away. Earth is here. Space starts somewhere above the clouds. Astronauts go there. Rockets travel to it. But this simple picture is not how the universe actually works. There is no clear border where Earth ends and space begins. The air slowly thins, gravity stretches far beyond the sky, and the planet itself is riding through space like a ship on a dark ocean. Right now, as you sit and listen, Earth is spinning. It spins so fast that if you were standing at the equator, you would be moving faster than a racing car. At the same time, Earth is flying around the sun at an incredible speed. And the sun itself is not still. It is moving through the galaxy, carrying all the planets with it like dust around a lantern. The galaxy is also in motion, drifting through a vast cosmic web we can barely imagine. We feel none of this. No wind rushes past, no shaking floor. That is because motion in space does not work the way our daily life does. When everything around you moves together, it feels like stillness. This idea alone changes how you see the sky. The stars are not calmly watching us. We are rushing through a river of space, and they are rushing too. Here is where it gets even more surprising. The space between stars, between planets, even between you and the screen in front of you, is not empty. It is filled with energy, invisible forces, and tiny particles passing through your body right now without you ever noticing. Space is not a void. It is more like a deep ocean, quiet on the surface, active beneath. This matters because it changes how we think about our place in the universe. We are not visitors in space. We are part of it. Every atom in your body was forged in ancient stars that lived and died long before Earth existed. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, all of it was created in cosmic events so powerful they reshaped galaxies. Once you start to see this, the universe feels less like a distant mystery and more like a shared story. Earth is not separate from space. It is one small chapter inside a much larger book. And in the next part, we will explore an idea that takes this even further. The shocking truth about how space itself behaves and why it does not act the way we expect at all. To really change how you see space, we need to let go of one quiet assumption we all carry. We imagine space as a fixed stage, a giant empty room where planets move around like actors. But space is not a still background. It is active. It stretches, bends, and even grows. This single idea turns the universe from a calm picture into a living process. Think about a simple dot drawn on a balloon. When you blow the balloon up, the dot moves away from every other dot, even though it is not crawling across the surface. This is close to what is happening in our universe. Space itself is expanding. Galaxies are not racing away because of some explosion pushing them outward. The space between them is increasing. This is why distant galaxies appear to be moving away from us faster than closer ones. It is not personal. Every galaxy sees the same thing. From anywhere in the universe, it looks like everything else is drifting away. There is no center, no edge, just space growing in all directions at once. Now here is the part that feels almost unreal. Some galaxies are moving away so fast that their light will never reach us. Not now, not in 1 billion years. They are not hidden behind walls or dust. They are simply being carried away by expanding space faster than light can cross the gap. This means there are parts of the universe we can never observe, no matter how powerful our future telescopes become. This matters deeply for how we understand reality. Everything you have ever seen of space, every photo, every glowing nebula, every deep sky image, is just a small bubble of what exists. Beyond that bubble is more universe, quietly slipping out of reach. When you look at the stars, you are not seeing space as it is right now. You are seeing ancient light, messages sent long before humans ever existed. Some of the light reaching your eyes tonight began its journey before Earth had cities, before there were trees, before there was oxygen to breathe. Space is not just wide. It is also a time machine. Looking farther means looking deeper into the past. This idea connects directly to our future in space. When we talk about exploring the universe, we are really talking about exploring a limited window. Even if humans master faster